Hello, good morning. Myself, I am BSR, botany lecturer. Today, our topic biological classification. 20 important questions in every chapter. So, I am going to biological classification. The first question, look at there. In fungi, the cell wall is mainly composed of pectin, cellulose, hemicellulose, and chitin. Definitely, the fungal wall made up of chitin, but pectin is present in Spirogyra. So Spirogyra pectin part becomes gelatinous. So that is why the Spirogyra can called as pond silk or water silk. So the first question answer is fourth option. Then second question, which of the following is not correct for viruses? Yes. Viruses contain both DNA and RNA. No. Virus containing either RNA or DNA. So the first option definitely not a correct statement. Look at the second option. They are inert outside. They are specific host cell. Correct only. Viruses are obligate parasite. That is also correct. Genetic material of the virus is infectious. That is also correct. So the incorrect statement is the first option. Look at the third question. And rise of Spirogyra meiosis occurs at the time of, especially in thallophytes like Spirogyra and Rhizophus, the zygote undergoes meiotic division. So that is why they are non-embryophytes. Whereas in bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms, there the zygote undergoes mitotic division. Hence, they are called embryophytes. So, especially thallophytes are non-embryophytes. So that is why here meiosis takes place not at the formation of zoospore. Zoospore is formed due to asexual reproduction. Gamete formation, no. Akinete formation, no. Especially germination of the zygospore. Zygote takes rest, that is called zygospore. During the germination of the zygospore undergoes meiotic division. Okay, clear? So the answer is fourth option. Which of the fungi cause rust and smut disease respectively? Definitely Ustilago and Puccinia. And look at the fifth question. Identify the given diagram and its class. Look at the diagram. Definitely Agaricus bisporus. It belongs to Basidiomycetes class. Then the sixth question. Dikaryotic phase occurs in except Phycomycetes. Phycomycetes, there is no dikaryotic condition. Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. So in both fungi, there Ascomycetes fungi and Basidiomycetes fungi, dikaryotic condition is present. So the answer is the fourth option. The protein coat of viruses is called, definitely that is a capsid protein coat. Okay, then here look at the eighth question. Here decomposer protist, definitely slime mold, dinoflagellates, protozoans, chrysophytes, and fourth option is slime mold. Answer is slime mold. Definitely. Ninth question, look at there. Here the ninth question, photosynthetic planktons. Here photosynthetic planktons are chrysophytes, then dinoflagellates, slime molds, 1 and 2. Except slime mold, chrysophytes and dinoflagellates are photosynthetic planktons. So remember that 1 and 2 is the answer. But major photosynthetic plankton chrysophytes. Okay, then you go for the 10th question. Here monerians that do not have cell wall and smaller known organisms, mycoplasma. Here no cell wall, only spore containing the wall. Then look at the 11th question. Here clearly identify the correct match from the given table. Amoeboid protozoans plasmodium, flagellated protozoans paramecium, ciliated protozoans trypanosoma, sporozoans entamoeba. So look at here the match the followings. Here we have to match it. So amoeboid protozoans definitely entamoeba, and flagellated protozoans trypanosoma, and ciliated protozoans definitely here paramecium, and sporozoans are plasmodium. Clear? It is very clear. So that is why the 11th question answer is the second option. Then 12th question, look at there. Choose the incorrect match from following. Incorrect, here it is asking incorrect. Diatoms, chief producers in oceans, dinoflagellated, as plated cell wall is present, euglenoids, identical pigments to higher plants, correct only. Slime molds, true wall found in vegetative phase, no, wrong. The wall is present in the spore only. Clear? Then the 13th question, look at there. Which of the following is a parasite fungi on mustard plant? Okay, so that is clearly albugo. Then we are going to the 14th question. Look at here. Here, which of the following pigment is present in cyanobacteria, blue-green algae? Definitely chlorophyll A. Then which of the following is the smallest living cell and can live without oxygen? Yes, definitely mycoplasma. Mycoplasma, yes. Then look at the 16th question. A scientist X demonstrated the extract of infected plant of Y could cause infection in healthy plants and called the fluid is Contagium vivum fluidum. So identify X and Y. So it's a good question. Here, Bizarink, that is a tobacco plant. Bizarink tobacco plant, he told that Contagium vivum fluidum. Then look at the 17th question. So clearly 17th question, which of the following statement is or correct about ascomycetes? Okay, look at there. So this is the 17th question. So neurospora, which is used in biochemical and genetic work, is a member of this class. Correct only. They are they are mostly multicellular. Example, yeast are rarely unicellular. Wrong. That is wrong. Unicellular yeast. So that statement is wrong. And look at the third. They are saprophytic decomposers, parasitic or carpophilous. Correct only. And the fourth one, some examples are Aspergillus, claviceps, and Neurospora. So the 17th question, except the second option, remaining all are correct. Then you go for 18th question. So here ascomycetes and okay, which examples had given? So 18th question, here ascomycetes example penicillium and basidiomycetes definitely ustilago and deuteromycetes definitely alternaria and phycomycetes is rhizophus. So definitely 18th question, the second option. And look at there the 19th question, match the following. It's also good because you can cover 4 or 5 lines at once. Match the following. One character feature and another side is example. Look at there, red dinoflagellates, definitely goniolax. And B, unicellular fungi used to make bread and beer, that is yeast. Clearly source of antibiotics, that is a penicillium, bread mold is rhizophus. Definitely the 19th question, third option. Okay, the last one, look at there, the figure given below shows the structure of bacteriophage. Identify the parts labeled A, B, C, D. Two diagrams had given. So look at the now bacteriophage. So already one diagram agaricus. Now the 20th question, look at there, A is definitely head and look at there the uh, B is tail sheath. Yes, C is collar, S and D is tail fibers. So look at the option. I think third option. S, A is head, B is tail sheath, C is collar, and D is tail fibers. So the answer is the third option. So thank you to all. So you please subscribe this channel. I will help you to get 360 of 360 in biology. Okay, thank you to all.